they're not intended to have favorite, but it looks like it. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I'm trying to compromise.
Because I can,
Good evening, and welcome to another
Yes.
new, fresh episode of Ballet Podcast, where we are not just going to talk about ballet performance, ballet shows, but also we're going to talk about the life of ballet dancers outside the stage or in the studio, all the dramas, comedies, and action whatsoever.
from Tito Trauma,
That's you.
Gossip Ass.
I don't know if you noticed, man, but there's a person who asked us to speak in English so that
Yes.
she.
A lot of people are asking to,
so this is not going to be always our.
Yes, this is a special episode.
Yes,
for
something like that.
for
From
English
time to
spoken
time.
in dollars,
yes,
people.
we gotta do our English confidence
Right now.
Yes.
No Tagalog.
No Tagalog. That's
Only English.
only yes.
Dollars only.
We're gonna call it English confidence. Yes. All the way from the Philippines. I'm only
Because we have friends from different
Countries.
like
From all-
Indonesia,
from all
Malaysia,
over the
so
world.
Japanese.
Yeah, also from other planet. Yeah, so let's introduce ourselves first. No?
No,
not
don't.
anymore.
They already know us.
Okay, I mean for the new watchers.
Yes.
No, yes.
This is hard, man.
It's okay, you know.
Yes,
At
this is
least-
hard, man.
Yes, at least we're trying to learn, to polish.
Yeah, we are learning to follow.
Yeah,
Your
yeah.
heart.
Yeah.
I don't know where this is going, you know. Okay, yes. How are you, boy?
Me, I'm doing okay. I'm just a little
How's
bit.
the show?
Yeah. It was good. Yeah.
Yeah?
We had a good show. It was a little bit early. Yeah. I'm still.
8:30, right?
8:30 is the call.
Oh
time.
no. Very early.
Yes, we're early bird.
Yes.
Yeah, but you, how about you? How's the rehearsal?
Yeah, I didn't rehearse.
Mhm.
Yeah. Benedict rehearsed.
Ah.
And that's it.
Oh, did you know that Mom Liz announced it?
Oh.
Yeah, that we're going to have a guest.
Maybe if we release this one, you already know.
Yeah, but.
So we're just gonna say it, huh?
Well, yeah. Who is it?
Yeah.
Who's
Kim
the?
and Kim will come
Ah,
and
yes, all the
BM.
way from the Russia.
Yeah.
Yes, he will be our guest for Don
Artist.
Quixote.
Yes.
He will be Basilio, not Don Quixote. You invited the guest, then he will be the
Yes.
Don Quixote. No, my friend.
No. No. Don't do that.
Okay. So,
Did you eat already?
me, not yet. You?
Not yet.
Mm-hmm. You?
Yes.
Yes, the best.
Earlier. My English is so limited.
It's okay. At least we're
It's
being
all-
pushed to our limit.
Yes.
Yes.
Don't do this to me, man.
It's okay. It's not always going to be our language. We'll go back to our original language, which is the Filipino. Yes. Tagalog language.
Yes. Because it's so hard right now, man.
Why?
I'm not used to this language.
It's okay. At least our listeners or our subscribers from all over the world or from other planet will understand us.
Yes.
See?
But Only one.
Only
Not two. Not three.
It's not always going to be like this. Don't you worry, my friend.
Okay, okay.
So no
So-
Tagalog, pure blood.
Yes. What happens if we talk in Tagalog?
If we talk in Tagalog, I don't know if you have coins there, but we are supposed to put 5 pesos. Yeah, but I don't know.
No money involved.
No money involved.
Yes, no.
Let's keep it real, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, yeah. I mean, see this.
I heard that you're
What? Oh,
You're-
no, no.
no,
use the
I'm
word-
sorry, my
Don't
friends.
use the word ano.
I heard earlier
Okay. That
you woke up early
you
for the class.
Yeah. I mean, that's our call time 8:30. So
Uh-huh.
I woke up like 6:30.
Only bar.
Yeah, only bar. And
Oh.
then we went straight to the show, do some blocking, and then yeah. Oh man, I'm speaking Tagalog. So sorry. After that, they let us prepare, and then we did the show. Yeah, there was a lot of people. There was a lot of videos,
Oh.
picture taking. Yeah, but it's all for
Who was
the best.
watching? Do you know anyone watching from the audience?
I think there's this camera,
This
photographer,
cameraman,
the photographer.
the photographer.
Yes, name Erickson.
Yes.
Erickson, yeah.
Yeah.
Erickson.
Is there any important people there?
Yes, Ma'am Liz is there.
Other.
Our guest principal for the Swan Lake, which is who will be who will be Miss Catherine
You
Barkman.
want this right?
Yes. Catherine Barkman, and then Esteban, and then Nathaniel. They had a conference there. They are doing the interview via Zoom.
Yeah. How's the
Yeah.
Zoom?
It was okay. I mean, it's still Zoom. Zoom. We are just in the back, and then that's it. It
Okay.
went smooth. Everything is good. Everything is great.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Okay.
Don't talk to me, man. I'm just here to ask questions.
Okay. So yeah,
Oh.
let's start.
See, let's think.
Think. Yeah. What's going to be the topic for today's video?
No, so this is just going,
Hello.
you know what it is. You saw it in the title.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is going to be about ballet.
Ballet.
This is ballet podcast, man. No, this is about ballet politics.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going.
Ooh, that's
Yeah.
deep, bro.
First and foremost is about favoritism.
Favoritism,
Yes.
yes. And I'm gonna ask you straight away. I'm gonna drop the bomb right away. For you, what's the meaning of? What do you understand when you hear
So,
the word favoritism?
many people.
Many people. Alright.
Many people in the Philippines.
Yes.
No. For me, favoritism is
Oh yes, accent. I love the accent. Favoritism.
yes, because oh man, this is hard, man.
Don't do that. Don't do. I'm drinking, man. I'm like, splatter the drink.
So favoritism is I don't know.
Then let me give you.
You answer. You
Yeah.
tell me.
Yeah.
You tell me, man.
What happened, brother? Alright.
I don't know the answer.
For me,
It's English.
favoritism is someone or something.
Someone, something.
Favoritism is from what
Go,
I
man.
see, from what I understand, okay? From what I see is the person or that someone who can get away with everything.
Okay.
Yeah, like for example, even if we commit the same mistake, me and that, or let's give it like this. Let's do it like this. You're the favorite, and
Yes,
I'm not the
I'm the
favorite.
favorite.
Yeah.
And you're not the favorite.
Yes. So we made the same mistake.
Yes, we made the same
Okay.
mistake.
Oh my God, we made the same mistake.
Yes.
And then our teacher caught us, or that person,
Oh, no.
lead
He caught us.
the leader. Don't.
I'm sorry,
you,
man.
Don't you. Okay, don't you kick the lights.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
So going back to the corner,
Okay.
that person caught us, like the
The
leader, the
teacher,
teacher, whoever,
professor,
yeah, the professor,
the mentor,
the,
the master.
you know, Master Shifu got
Yeah.
us, okay? And then me,
And you, we're together.
the way he,
The way you close your eyes.
what's
This
the
is not
English
going
term?
anywhere, man.
No. The way he scold me, yes, that's the word. The way he scold me is different from you. You is lighter, like it's okay. It's okay, Paeng. But me, no. I mean, there's a lot of
Is this
words.
based on your experiences or observation?
Observation, yes, observation.
Oh.
Well, mostly based on my observation. Yeah, I mean, no. I experienced this also from like when I'm in Toloy. I'm gathering the words.
Okay.
Yes, I experienced it in Toloy.
Oh yeah.
Like there was this incident that I made a mistake,
Oh
and
no.
that guy also made the same mistake.
Oh no.
But the way my guardian scolded me is
Oh, the
different.
guardian.
Like he let that other guy. Yes.
Leave.
He
Leave me
let
alone.
give me alone. He let that guy off easily the road, while me, he said a lot of words. You know,
Yes.
that's why for me that's the meaning of favoritism.
Oh.
Yeah.
So for me, favoritism is when you favor someone
Okay.
in terms of what do you call casting,
Cast
or
or
when you have in roles.
oh
Oh no.
oh no. Okay.
And that's all.
Care to elaborate?
No.
No. It's a no for me.
No for me.
Oh.
But that's for me.
No.
And that's for you. So we're different.
Come on, our viewers needs to know what.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
In terms of role and in terms of
So
casting.
so it's based on your job, or have you experienced this before, like in school?
No, this is in general.
in general.
Yes.
Okay.
In other profession, in
Okay.
ballet.
Not
Yeah.
only here.
Yes, I think favoritism also exists in
Is
other
but you specify that it's cast. So
and
you didn't
No,
know.
no. But for ballet, yes,
Yes.
in casting,
Including.
yeah, it's included in the cast in the
Okay.
ballet.
But you.
Oh no, it's shuffling.
But also.
It's mixing the idea.
Okay. But you also experience. Is this based on your experience, or
No, this
based
is
on
just
your
based on my
observation? Okay.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? For me, I'm going to ask you this. What do you think is the pros and cons of being a favorite? Do you think yourself you are favorite?
I don't know. I have no idea
Like,
if I'm a favorite.
uh, like zero idea.
No.
Like,
But a lot of people, or a lot of they said that they tell and they told that I'm one of the favorite,
But you don't think.
but I don't claim it.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe because of my hard work,
Mm-hmm.
and I get
That's
casted,
why
and
you're
I'm
being
included in
casted.
the tours,
Mm-hmm.
and I am given a role. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe, I don't know.
But for the others' eyes, you're a
Yeah,
favorite.
for their perception,
Mm-hmm.
I'm the favorite one.
Mm-hmm.
But how about you?
Me? What
No,
about me?
me. Me again.
What about me? What about me?
Do you think you're a favorite?
Me?
Yeah.
No. I don't.
Why do you think so?
I mean,
Oh no.
oh no. I mean, I'm being casted, yes. I
But
mean, to be honest, we have different, different meaning or different perspective when it comes to favoritism. For me, I don't think like that. No. So I don't know if I'm a favorite or not. Because I have a different meaning of favorite again.
yeah,
The one who can get away with everything,
yes.
right? So I don't look at it like that anymore. Maybe before. Before. Like
Okay.
if I want to do this, do that. No. And I'm not being the one who is assigned like that. And then
Yes.
I will feel that, oh, I'm not the favorite. But now, for me, that's the meaning of favorite. Yeah. So to answer your question,
Yeah, you became so far.
I don't know if I'm a favorite or not.
Okay.
I cannot say yes, I cannot say no. Because I'm being casted.
Yes.
Yes. But you know, yes, that's it.
Do you think in casting there's a big contribution? Yes.
Uh,
Do you think
ito-
favoritism is a big part of casting? That's what I'm talking about.
okay, okay. I
Yes.
hear you. Um, I don't think so. I don't think so. There's a favoritism in casting
Okay.
because I think they're just casting.
Expand.
Okay, I will expand. I think that they are casting those people because of what they can do. Yes,
Yes.
that's deep, bro. For me, that's what I think.
Yeah.
I think they are casting those people because of what they can do,
Because of their hard work,
their hard work.
because they deserve it.
They deserve it.
Oh yeah.
For me, that's the thing about casting. How
Mm,
about you? Do you think favoritism is one of the factors of casting?
well, favoritism is a part, but I don't think that many teachers or many ballet teachers based just on favoritism. I think
Mm-hmm.
they see the potential of the dancers. That's
Mm-hmm.
why they are casting them.
Okay.
If you have, if you heard my English, just grammar correct it.
Yeah, it's okay. At least,
Yes.
yes. This is English
Yes,
confidence.
this is for the people
What do you
who don't
think?
understand Tagalog.
Yes. What do you think is the pros of being a favorite?
Well, I think one of the advantages of being a favorite is,
Uh, you're always being
you
cast.
get exposed to opportunities.
Oh, that's a good answer, bro.
Yes.
Okay.
Because if you're favorite, sometimes you get prioritized.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You get to be in a role. Um, and that's all.
I was expecting more.
Yes.
Okay, but
Don't.
don't, just don't. Okay. I mean, well, for
Every sentence is a limit.
and any cons of being a favorite.
um, cons because I think the disadvantages are yes. This is hard, man. Why are we doing this to ourselves?
It's okay. It's a little plot twist.
So if you're not a
What?
favorite, I think you're being overlooked. Yeah, your hard work, even your because sometimes favoritism is based on just talent, and if you're
Mhm.
not naturally talented, I think you will be overlooked. That's it. Don't
Mm.
complicate things, guys.
Life is
Don't.
already complicated.
Yes.
So let's
That's
not.
if you will answer very long, no.
No.
Don't.
For me, I don't have any example or I can give anything being a
So
pro.
why are we doing this?
For me, the cons of let's go to the cons of being a favorite
Yes.
is favorite. You know, like for example, if you know that you are favorite, and then like suddenly they stop giving you opportunities,
Mm?
or they're not, you know, casting you
Yes.
and something like that, and then you will feel like you're being abandoned, you
And
know.
left out.
Yeah, and left out and something like that. So there it will enter.
It will enter the dungeon.
I'm trying to compose my words.
Okay, just compose it.
Yeah, but yeah, whenever when the
Whenever
time
I see
comes,
girls and boys.
when that time comes that you're not being casted anymore or not being used, you will feel that you are going to be left out.
Mm.
Yes. So I think that's the concept. Have I explained it correctly?
I
Did
mean,
you understand it?
yes.
Yes.
Part.
Part. Okay.
Part.
Okay.
Just part, man.
This podcast is
Nonsense.
30% talk, 70% laugh, laugh,
Yes.
laugh, laugh.
No, so,
Yeah.
many dancers, they're expecting to be included in the casting.
When they are
They wanted to
favorite.
get the opportunities also,
Mm-hmm.
tours, and favoritism affects, emotional, mental
Yeah, yeah.
health of
Mm-hmm.
dancers. Well, because if you're not casted or if you're not included in the
And you know that you are a favorite.
no, if you're not favorite,
Okay.
you don't understand, man.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I thought we were the singing the same
No, no,
boat.
no, no, no. So if you're not favorite, I think if you it will affect your mental capabilities, mental thinking and decision making.
Okay.
Because
Because
the gravity will pull it stop. No, 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 no. I'm just kidding.
uh,
So it will
mhm.
not unboost it will unboost your confidence.
Yes,
Because
yes,
there's
yes.
a boost of confidence when you're
Yeah.
favorite because you will get
Yeah.
to
Be
prioritize.
yes.
Yes. And you know what?
Mm-hmm.
Don't.
Just don't.
This is 40% don't video. So that's it.
Mm-hmm. Anything else
Yeah, I
about?
mean, you know that already.
You feel as you know what we're
Yeah,
talking about.
there's there's also people that they are favorite but they don't hard work, man.
Yes, yes.
And
I
that's
hate
the
also
sad
those
part.
people.
Yes. They take
Like they
advantage of the
yeah.
opportunities that the teachers gave them.
Oh, that's a
You
strict.
you hear that, man?
Yes,
That's a
that's
straight
straight.
line. Yeah.
Yes.
And it's
For me,
sad for
okay,
the
go.
people who hard work and you know,
They're not being used or
yeah,
casted because
they're not
they're not
given
there.
an opportunity to dance.
Uh-huh.
They're not looked by the teacher and they're
Uh,
also being ano no, I'm sorry, man.
okay, they're being
They're being
overlooked.
yeah, but You know that.
Mm-hmm. Me, I also have another definition of favoritism. Like there's two kinds of favorite. Favorite people, those are who are being complimented always.
Yeah.
And the other one is who is always being scolded.
Yeah.
Even if
Sometimes
they've just made small mistakes, something like that, and like they're not intentionally doing it, but since their favorite to be scolded, not to be complimented.
yes, but well, not all teachers have I sorry again. Well, not all teachers
Or
have favorites.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
There are planes and
Yes.
boats and
I think some teachers just favor talented
mm-hmm,
people, and they're not intended to have favorite, but it looks like it.
mm-hmm.
Do you understand that?
Yeah, I'm trying to compromise.
Because I can't,
Actually, if I'm going to be a teacher someday, I cannot say that I won't have any favorite. Okay. But
It's
I'll make sure,
impossible.
yeah, I'll make sure that if I'm going to have a favorite student or I mean mostly student, of course.
Yes.
I'm going to be a teacher. So let's talk about student. So if I'm going to have a favorite student, I'll make sure he or she will earn it.
Oh
Okay?
yeah.
Like they need to show me that they're doing hard work.
Yeah.
Or else they're going to be the other definition of favorite.
But
To
we
be
also don't
scolded.
understand the side of the teachers because
Okay.
maybe
Yeah.
their perspective is or perception is also like yours,
Mm-hmm.
but we perceive it as favoritism. So we don't know. So we cannot tell or say that it's favoritism.
Mm-hmm.
Do you
Yeah,
understand?
yeah, I understand. I get.
See? So that's it.
You're always angry, man. Don't. I never you.
Yeah.
You never me. Don't.
Yeah. I don't know. And also,
And actually, there's a bad side if that student or that person knows he or she is a favorite.
hmm?
There's also a bad side for the teacher if that student knows he or she is a favorite. Like for example, like if that student went rogue,
Went grow?
rogue, rogue,
Rogue.
doesn't
Yes,
want to
yes, yes, yes,
listen
yes, yes.
and in the
Oh
mood,
no.
and he or she knows that that teacher favors him or her.
Yes.
He or she can do anything he or she wants.
Oh
Right?
no.
Because he or she knows that
She knows.
he no is a favorite.
Yes.
See, so it could backfire. So for me, if I become a teacher, I will make sure that yes, you are my favorite, but you need to show hard work. You need to
Yeah.
earn it.
And we also don't know what's the reason why it's
Well,
why do they
most
have favorites, but I think it's
the main
some
for me, the main reason is that kid is a talented one.
yeah,
Yeah. They see something
but I
and
think closeness also have part as
mhm.
a factor also.
I mean for me the biggest factor
Okay.
is the talent.
Yeah, of
The
course.
closeness. The other is just small.
It's just a fragment.
Yeah, fragment.
See?
Yes.
Yeah, I think, but you know.
We know this.
I
Yeah.
don't know anymore, man.
You have any say about favoritism? How about you when you become a teacher?
I will teach.
Uh,
No, I will try
Now we'll try.
to look at them equally.
Okay.
But I think it's impossible to have,
Not to have a
not
favorite.
to have a favorite because
Mhm.
it's just not gonna happen.
Okay.
Because there's
But
always a student that's
oh,
talented,
so what
that's
you okay?
hardworking,
Mm-hmm.
and there's students that is slow learner,
Mm-hmm.
and
Yes.
yeah.
So I have a question. So what if that student knows he or she is your favorite, and then like for let's say for the first 3 months he or she is showing hard work, and then on the fourth month, fifth month, or on
No,
the
like eventually he will
yeah
go.
he or she will take advantage of it, like
Of course, I will.
mhm. I will finish him. Finish him. Fatality.
Of course, I will make sure that he will
Uh,
not get comfortable
okay. Like
with me.
okay.
That
No, what will you do? Like for example, you scolded him or her, and then he or she will answer
I'll make
back.
him understand
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
that you know I cannot do this, man.
Your brain is not functioning.
Yes,
It's okay. This is
in my English is out of
out of this world.
yes out of this world already.
Okay. It's okay. At least they can see that we are trying, and they know that this will never happen again.
This is your fault.
Don't worry, we're going to have a guest who is very good at English.
Yes,
Yes. Soon.
I can English questions, not
Uh,
answers.
yeah, so going back, that's your answer
Mm.
for
I
if
think I will make sure that he will not he will not get to the point that he will be comfortable around
or take
me.
advantage
Yeah,
of
take
it.
advantage of me because
Mhm.
of course you will have to set boundaries with your
Yes.
students.
Mm-hmm.
You're not going to be, you know, that's it.
And what if there is this kind of scenario like he or she wants you to be
Who
her.
is this he and she?
I don't know. I'm just giving
Mm.
pronouns. You know,
Okay.
he or she wants you to be he or she's favorite.
What?
Like he wants you to favor him or her, like that, something like that. Like he or she is
He's so demanded, man.
like no, like he or she is giving you food, or doing I
Well, I
mean
think
doing you a favor just to gain your
maybe
favoritism.
maybe he's a good person. You
Yeah,
can't really judge a
but
book by
but
its
but
cover.
yeah, but what if they are expecting something else?
That's their fault.
Mm.
That's not my fault. I'm just a teacher. If you're giving me something and you're expecting something in return, I think that's your fault, not
That's
mine.
your fault.
Yes, that's your fault, man.
Yeah.
That's not me.
Uh,
It's you.
I understand. I
Yes, you
understand.
understand, right?
Yes, yes.
So, as a teacher, you have to set boundaries, and then
If you
that's
become a
yeah.
teacher,
If I
yeah.
become a teacher, I will, will not let that happen. But you really don't know what's the
Go.
future holds, and
Uh,
maybe gonna be a teacher, but mm.
I like that reaction. Whenever you run out of words. I like the facial expression.
So yeah,
Yeah.
because ballet is big,
Okay.
and
Mm.
there's a lot of
It cannot be stopped.
yes, it
That
cannot be stopped.
favoritism. I mean, even not
There
in
will always
ballet.
be talented
I
people.
mean, even outside ballet, right? I mean, like in our past podcast, like You remember during the pandemic,
Yeah.
I work as a call center,
Yes.
and then there's a leader, and he shows favoritism too.
Mm.
So not only in ballet, but also all around the world.
But you know what?
No.
I heard a story
Oh.
that the ballet in Russia,
Mm-hmm.
they don't favor the dancers with good
Talent.
body, good lines. They favor or they focus on dancers who don't have good legs.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
But
that's what they told
yeah.
me
Okay.
because
Because they want they want actually I
yeah,
heard.
that's what I heard.
Mhm.
They focus more on dancers that don't have good legs, that's having a hard time keeping
Mhm.
in with class.
To
Yeah.
be honest, for me also, I think that's a good mentality or
Yeah.
mindset or whatever it is, because I would rather raise a not so talented student than favor who is already talented,
Yeah.
right? Because I want them to see that, oh, before this person cannot do this, cannot do
Yeah,
that,
it's like satisfying.
but because of this teacher focusing on him,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm also giving attention to that talented person, but at the same time I'm also going to maybe give more to that
Yeah.
not so, you know talented. Mm. Not so talented student, something like that. Yeah.
Yes,
Kasi, I mean, there's a what do you call this? A big
you can do this, man.
yes, a very big good feeling when you produce,
Satisfying
yeah,
moment.
satisfying moment. There you go. Thank you. Satisfying satisfying moment when you produce, or when you, yeah, produce a student who is from not being so that,
Like from poor to rich, like
yeah,
that.
something like that.
Poor to rich moments.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you for saving me.
Yeah.
Yeah, for me. Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And yes. Do you have any more addition?
Yeah. So I hope you enjoy our podcast
Yeah,
today.
I mean, we're
I think
trying.
that's it.
Yes, we're trying our best.
Yes.
So I think this is our last
This is
English
our first
confidence.
and last
Yeah, but
English
yeah, like
confidence.
what you told earlier, the future, we don't know the future holds.
Yes.
So we might do this again,
But
or
don't worry, we will have, you know, English subtitles
yes.
for
Oh,
people
okay.
who don't understand
Uh-huh,
Tagalog. I will
uh-huh.
provide. We will provide.
Okay.
So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode and I hope you like, share, subscribe in our YouTube channel and you know,
Yes, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you are always updated to the episodes that we are going to release. That's straight, man.
that's straight, that's straight.
That's straight English, spoken in dollars.
So yeah,
Yeah.
this is it.
Yes. Um. Once again, I'm Oni.
I'm Paeng.
That's you. Gossip
Gossip
ass.
ass.